Good morning, Mr. White. This is Austin at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky, and I was going to take a quick video of that Expedition you had expressed interest in. This is a one-owner vehicle. We sold it brand new to a family, and I believe they were farmers, if I'm not mistaken. This vehicle has absolutely no cosmetic defects whatsoever. I've gone over this thing with a fine-tooth comb. It's in immaculate condition on the exterior, also the interior. It is the limited max, so this is the longer wheelbase. See the power lift gate there. It does have the extra storage room in the back like all Maxes do. Power folding rows. All the wheels are in perfect shape. There are no scuffs on the wheels at all. Interior is immaculate. Driver's seat is usually the seat that you see the most wear on. There's none on this one. It does have all-weather mats all the way through it. Bench in the second row. It does have the rear DVD kit. Also has rear heated seats, rear air control as well. One nice thing about that third row actually reclines a little bit for any passengers in the back. Power deployable running boards there that you can see when you close the door. The running boards move out of the way. This is a really nice unit. Like we had discussed, it is a certified pre-owned unit, so it does come with extra bumper-to-bumper warranty. And it extends the powertrain coverage. Hope this video does a little more justice than the pictures did. Thanks, have a great day.